The loudest thing in this house is the silence you left behind. So tonight, I'm climbing the stairs, step by step, to match the weight of that quiet. Missing your old sneakers, sitting by the door. I tie my laces tight once more, stepping out past the exit sign into the dark of night, looking for a spark of light, wondering if the distance between us was always this far. I breathe in deep, taking the midnight air into my heart. All these heavy worries resting on my weary shoulders, I let them wash down the steps with my sweat growing older, so I can hold you deeper in the space I've emptied out, making myself crystal clear, washing away your doubt. Let us shine just as bright as the weight we've learned to bear. You over there and me right here, in a rhythm so alike without a word. We're reaching our own heights in the air. The cold walls of your dorm and the chill of this stairwell become a single wave, crossing the night we know so well. We held on so strong, your quiet peace and my footsteps treading all night long. Every time my legs burn and the muscles pull tight, I picture you chasing your dreams deep into the night. I'm not looking for a prize or a grand reward, I just wanna share the weight that you're moving toward. Behind my sweat-soaked back, from a place so far away, I can feel your quiet courage guiding my way. Let us shine just as bright as the weight we've learned to bear. You over there and me right here, in a rhythm so alike without a word. We're reaching our own heights in the air. The cold walls of your dorm and the chill of this stairwell become a single wave, crossing the night we know so well. Breathe it in, let it glow, watching the bright electro current flow. Ooh, we held on so strong, your deep silence and this trembling that empties me out. I'll climb just one more floor, then I'll head and sleep well, my daughter.